Google just dropped something crazy, a free AI agent that lives in your computer. It codes for you, makes videos, and thinks like a human. This changes everything for business owners. I'm going to show you how to get it right now, and why this might be the biggest AI breakthrough of 2025. Google just launched something that has me shook. They released Gemini CLI agent. And this thing is not like anything we've seen before. Most AI tools live in the browser. You go to a website, you type stuff, you get answers. But this lives on your computer, in your terminal, and it can do things that will blow your mind. I'm talking about coding entire apps from scratch, making videos, writing content, doing research that would take you hours in just minutes. And here's the crazy part, it's completely free. Gemini CLI is an AI agent that runs directly on your computer, not in a browser, right there in your terminal. Think of it like having a super smart assistant that can actually do stuff on your computer, not just talk to you, but actually make things happen. Google built this using their best AI model, Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is the same model that beats ChatGPT in most coding tests. And they gave it a massive brain, 1 million tokens of context. That's like reading 750 pages of text and remembering every single word. Most AI tools forget what you said 5 minutes ago. This thing remembers everything. But here's where it gets insane. They made it completely open source, and the free limits, Google is playing dirty. You get 60 requests per minute, that's 1 request every second. For free, you get 1,000 requests per day. That's more than most people will ever use. Claude Code costs you $50 to $100 per day. OpenAI Codex is expensive too. This, completely free. You open your terminal, you type one command, and boom, you have an AI agent that can see your files, read your code, and make changes. But it doesn't just write code. This thing is way more powerful. You can ask it to build an entire app from a sketch, just draw something on paper, take a photo, and it builds the app. You can ask it to make videos using Google's VO model, professional quality videos from just a text description. You can ask it to do deep research on any topic, and it uses Google Search to get real-time information. You can ask it to manage your projects, track your tasks, even handle your Git workflows. This is all happening locally on your computer. Your code never leaves your machine. Your data stays private. This isn't just another AI chatbot. This is like having a junior developer, researcher, and content creator all rolled into one. Most AI coding tools work in an IDE. They give you suggestions, they help you write code, but they're limited. Gemini CLI is different. It's an agent. It can run commands. It can execute code. It can test things. It can debug issues. It can even commit changes to Git. It's like the difference between having a smart keyboard and having a smart colleague. And because it's open source, the developer community is going crazy. People are already building extensions, adding new features, making it even more powerful. Let me give you some real examples of what this can do. Example 1. You want to build a Discord bot. You tell Gemini CLI to build a Discord bot that answers questions from a FAQ file. It reads your existing files. It understands your project structure. It writes the bot code. It tests the code, it even handles the deployment, all from one simple request. Example 2, you have a folder full of images, different formats, different sizes. You want them all converted to PNG and renamed with dates from the photo data. You tell Gemini CLI to do this. It processes every image, it reads the metadata, it converts the formats, it renames everything. Done. Example 3, you want a full-screen web app that shows your GitHub issues. For a wall display in your office, you describe what you want. Gemini CLI builds the entire app. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, real-time data from GitHub, beautiful design, ready to deploy. These aren't fake examples, these are real use cases from Google's documentation. This thing can replace hours of manual work with a single command. This isn't just a cool tech demo, this is a game changer. First, it makes AI accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a programmer, you don't need to understand APIs, you just describe what you want in plain English. Second, it runs locally. That means your sensitive business data doesn't go to the cloud. It stays on your computer. That's huge for security and privacy. Third, it's free. No subscription fees, no usage limits that matter, no vendor lock-in. But here's the real kicker. It makes small businesses competitive with big corporations. So how do you actually get this thing? You need 3 things. First, you need a computer. Mac, Windows, or Linux, doesn't matter. Second, you need Node.js installed. That's a free programming tool, takes 2 minutes to install. Third, you need a Google account, that's it. You run one command in your terminal, it asks you to sign in with your Google account, and boom, you're ready to go. No credit card required, no trial period that expires, no hidden fees. You literally get access to one of the most powerful AI models in the world, for free. I'll put the exact installation instructions in the description below. This thing supports something called MCP, Model Context Protocol. That's a fancy way of saying it can connect to other tools and services. Want it to connect to your database? It can do that. Want it to integrate with your project management tools? It can do that. Want it to work with your existing scripts and automation? It can do that. And because it's open source, developers are already building crazy extensions. There's an extension for image generation using Google's Imagen model. There's an extension for video creation using Google's VO model. There's an extension for music generation using Google's Lyria model. It's like having access to Google's entire AI toolkit from your terminal. Google is in an AI war with OpenAI, with Microsoft, with everyone. They need developers to use their AI models. They need people to build on their platform. So they're doing what Google does best. They're making their best technology free, just like they did with Android, just like they did with Chrome. The goal isn't to make money from Gemini CLI directly. The goal is to get you into the Google ecosystem. Once you're using Gemini CLI, you'll probably use Google AI Studio. You'll probably use Google Cloud. You'll probably use other Google services. But here's the thing, that's actually good for us because it means they have to keep making it better. They have to keep it free. They have to keep innovating. Competition is good for customers. People are already doing incredible things with this. One developer used it to migrate an entire code base from one framework to another, something that would normally take weeks, done in a few hours. A content creator used it to generate a complete video series, scripts, visuals, everything, all from a simple topic description. A small business owner used it to build a custom inventory management system, no coding knowledge required. These aren't hypothetical examples, these are real people getting real results. And remember, this tool has been available for less than 24 hours. Imagine what people will be doing with it in a month. We're moving toward a world where every computer has an AI agent, not just AI assistants, but actual AI agents that can do work. This is the first real step in that direction. The businesses that start using this stuff now will have a massive advantage over the ones that wait. This isn't like social media where you can jump in later and catch up. This is like the internet itself. The early adopters win big. So what should you do right now? First, go install this thing, even if you're not technical, even if you've never used a terminal before. The installation is simple. Second, start with small experiments. Ask it to help with simple tasks. Get comfortable with how it works. Third, think about your business processes. What tasks do you do repeatedly? What takes too much time? What could be automated? Fourth, start building. Use this to create tools for your business. Automate workflows. Build custom solutions. Don't wait. Don't think about it. Don't plan to do it later. Do it now, because your competitors are probably already doing it. I've been in the AI space for a while now. I've seen a lot of tools come and go. But this feels different. This feels like a watershed moment. Google just gave everyone access to enterprise-level AI capabilities for free. They just made it possible for a single person to do what used to require a team. They just changed the game for every business owner, entrepreneur, and creator. You can either take advantage of this opportunity, or you can watch other people take advantage of it. The question isn't whether AI is going to change your industry. The question is whether you're going to lead that change or get left behind by it. All right, so here's what I want you to do. First, if you want to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to get more customers and streamline your operations with cutting-edge AI tools. Link is in the comments and description. Second, if you want a free SEO strategy session to see how we can get you more leads and customers, book a call with my team. Link is in the comments and description. Third, we have a complete SOP and process for using tools like Gemini CLI inside the AI Success Lab. You'll get step-by-step tutorials, over 100 use cases, and access to our community of 12,000 members who are already using AI to transform their businesses. You can get all the video notes from this tutorial there too. Links are in the comments and description. Remember, Julian Goldie reads every single comment. So drop a comment below and let me know what you're going to build with Gemini CLI. Are you going to automate your content creation, build custom tools for your business, or maybe create something completely new? I want to hear about it. And if you build something cool, I might feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.